rendering fat is the heating of fat to put it away and to separate it from, basically you've got pure fat, you're separating the water and the proteins, and and connective tissues, and you've got fat. So that's rendering, that's the process. Okay. So when we talk about the hot fat from ground beef, yes, that's been rendered because you've heated it, but you can buy tallow in a cold, physical, hard state. When you consume hot liquid fat, it literally is so fast through the system. It's not how we would have eaten it, how we do it, like in air fryers or microwaved or whatever you use. And that's so hot, it goes through the system, and it will actually end up coating your small intestine or your stomach. It will actually do that, because that's why some people feel that uncomfortableness, which somebody talked about earlier. And the bile production can't compete because it isn't in the stomach long enough. If you have a steak and it starts to break down, it releases things like taurine, as we just spoke about. And taurine is a molecule that signals to the stomach to produce more acid, but it also signals to the liver to produce more bile. And that's been shown with interventional experiments. And that just means you add it and see what happens, and you take it away and see what happens. So we know that taurine within a full steak, like a ribeye, will definitely tell your stomach to make the acidic environment more acidic, and it will also upregulate the amount of bile being produced. So don't get too confused. Rendered fat is tallow. Yes, it is lard, but it can be cool. And when we talk about rendered fat from ground beef, we're normally talking about the fat that you see in the bottom of the pan that you then immediately tip straight back on, and it's a bit hot.